Dunhinda Waterfall. Dunhinda Falls is a waterfall located about 5 kilometers from Badulla. You have to walk around 20 to 30 minutes to reach the falls from entrance. The fall is created by the Badulu Oya, which flows through Badulla. Upon reaching the waterfall, visitors are greeted by a magnificent sight. The waterfall gets its name from the smoky dewdrop spray, a veil of water cascading gracefully down the rocky cliffs, sending mist and spray into the air. 64 meters, 210 feet high. Waterfall offers opportunities for hiking and nature photography, with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape and glimpses of exotic wildlife.